Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? So today we are going to try this particular mint palette from Beauty Glazed. The same palette that I tried a few days back on my Instagram stories, and I told you that this palette does not have any pigment. Well, I'm wearing that on my eyes, and yep, to know more, to know my whole entire experience on this palette, I would recommend you to move into this video, watch what happened, watch this whole thing, and yep, let's go. Now, before jumping in, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you like me or you like my videos, and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a video. Also, follow me on social media. All the details and links are given in the channel art. Press them and just follow me everywhere. The brows have already been filled, and I have already put like concealer on my the lid. Now we shall move into this palette. Now also into this palette, I have already tested this palette, so I really know that these colors are not like extremely like pop of pigment. I mean, let me just show you this pigment, this one over here. Like, these are like two extremely similar colors. You cannot even make out the difference between them, but see, they do come out really well, but it's just that they kind of like blend into almost nothing. The vibrancy that I expect from them, that I really want from them, I just didn't get that, and I was really depressed out because of that. So today I am going to work a little harder to make them work. Also, I have this neon palette which actually belongs to Huda Beauty, but this is not the original one, this is the dupe. It also has this kind of like neon yellowish shade, and let me show you over here. This though doesn't even look, not even there, it's literally nothing. So but it does have some shades that are similar, maybe. I mean, see, oh my god, how should I put this? This color is similar to this color, right? This palette is way prettier than this, and that is the reason why I'm giving it a second chance, because although the color wasn't like strikingly there, but I really loved the way the color was actually looking. So yeah, I would really like to give it one more chance because I really want it to work out. So I want to compare this particular pink color with the colors from this palette. I just want to see if this kind of scheme actually works out. So this color and this color over here, they look a little bit similar to that color, and this, and I also want to try this one. So yeah, let's just have a look at these. So no, I mean, there is nothing similar. So you see, this is the color and it barely is there, and that is the issue with this particular color, that it just does not even appear there. So I'll go with these two shades, these two greens. Yep, we have to build them a lot. So yep, let's just start building them. From now on, it's going to take us 3 hours to really reach there. I'm just taking both of these because they are very powdery. I've literally coated my brush. Now just look what will really happen. That is nice. Now today I did not set my concealer because I want the color to really pop out, and the kickback is intense, guys. You cannot even tell from here the intense big kickback. See, you see this? Awful. Yep. In real life it is a little better than what you are actually seeing on camera. It's looking a little more dull than what it really is, but if you cannot even see it, then what is literally the point of it, right? Yeah, let's just start building it up. I hope you can see the powder flying out of it. Let me zoom you guys a little bit in. Can you see? This is how it is building up right now. We'll still build it up because why not? It's patchy, not the best eyeshadow, definitely. and it wasn't like cheap, only 100 or 200 rupees. The cheapest price for this palette that I found was actually 499 rupees on Cuffs and Lashes. And you know guys, if you buy it from some other store, it's like literally 700, 800, 600 range, and this is the shit quality you are getting for 800 range. I wouldn't really recommend this palette. It's just the wastage of money. We'll move into other color now. We are going to move into this pink. Since there are just 3 mattes in this palette, let's just move into that. Let's go. See, it's not even there. That is the issue, right? These colors are not even appearing. You see, I kind of added some color over here and the color just disappeared. I did watch a few reviews for this palette after I, attempted a look out of it, and I don't know, I don't understand why people were like, yeah, that palette is good, it's nice and everything. It just does not work. It does not have colors. How is it even nice? I don't understand. I'm moving to this palette and I'm going to use these 2 pink colors because these pinks were vibrant and I cannot work with this pink. It's literally not appearing. Are my eyelids not working? I don't understand what is happening. I should have gone with the neon throughout. I give up. Okay, yeah, whatever. So should I cut the crease? Do we need to? So taking the concealer, I'm taking the Stay Quirky concealer and I will take this pink color from the palette, I believe, because let's have like a pop of pink. The pop of pink is what I really need. So yep. Again, we need to use the finger. Now I really took this shimmer to literally the end of this lid because since the pink color is not how it should have been. Okay, let's do a wing eyeliner. Obviously we need it because only a wing can save this look at this point. Okay, nothing can save this look anymore. I don't have like a pink pencil. I do have like a purple pencil. So let me just do something about it. Just taking like the tapered kind of brushes and we are going to dip into the pink colors. I do not like it at all. I mean, this pink thing is just not doing it for me and I absolutely hate it. I don't even want to do the rest of my makeup. I'm like, I cannot waste this whole entire stuff. I think I wouldn't be doing, literally I'm not doing my whole entire makeup because since this eye look is a huge failure, it's not even looking good. I mean, this is such a mess over here. When I'll be taking some pictures out of this look, it will appear so bad that I cannot even do this. Okay, so even in the second attempt, this palette did not work. And even this palette is a huge no from my side. This is just not working. I mean, I don't know. I mean, if I'm talking about this particular palette, I think the colors might have worked out better if I wouldn't have laid that pink color from this particular palette, and maybe that is the reason why this didn't work out. But overall, even this is very powdery, this is powdery, they are just very powdery and are not working at all. I mean, this whole neon gig went into a port hole for me. It really went there. Okay, so yeah guys, that's it for today's video. It's a heartbreaking video for me because since a long time, all the products that I have been using, especially the eyeshadow palettes, I did manage to get some really good looks out of them, and today it failed miserably and now I am feeling the heartbreak feeling. Yes. So yes, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Do not buy these palettes. This neon thing isn't working. Not for Indians at least. So yeah, that's it. Bye.